Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about a topic the sequence activities. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and important with respect to project management, especially if you are planning to give exam of PMP in near future. So this is a very interesting and important topic for you. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. And also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friends, sequence activities is the process of identifying and documenting relationships among the project activities. The key benefit of this process is that it defines the logical sequence of work to obtain and greatest efficiency given of all project constraints. This process is performed throughout the project. Every activity except the first and last should be connected to at least one predecessor and at least one successor activity with an appropriate logical relationship. Logical relationships should be designed to create a realistic project schedule. It may be necessary to use lead or lag time between activities to support a realistic and achievable project schedule. Sequencing can be performed by using project management software or by using manual or automated techniques. The sequence activities process concentrates on converting the project activities from a list to a diagram to act as a first step to publish the schedule baseline. The inputs for sequence activities process includes the project management plan, which is based on a schedule management plan. The schedule management plan defines the method used at the level of accuracy along with other criteria required to sequence activities. Then a scope baseline, the project work breakdown structure, deliverables, constraints and assumptions documented in the scope baseline are considered explicitly while sequencing activities. Project documents, which is based on activity attributes. Activity attributes may describe a necessary sequence of events or define predecessor or successor relationship as well as the defined lead and lag and logical relationships between the activities. Activity list. The activity list contains all scheduled activities required on the project that are to be sequenced. Dependencies and other constraints for these activities can influence the sequencing of the activities. Assumption log. Assumptions and constraints recorded in the assumption log may influence the way activities are sequenced, the relationship between activities and the need for leads and lags, and may give rise to individual project risk that may impact the project schedule. Milestone list. The milestone list may have scheduled dates for specific milestones which may influence the way activities are sequenced. Enterprise environmental factor, which is based on government or industry standards, project management information system, scheduling tools, organization work authorization system. Organizational process assets based on the portfolio and program plans and project dependencies and relationships. Existing formal and informal activity planning related policies, procedures, and guidelines such as the scheduling methodology that is considered in developing logical relationships. Templates that can be used to expedite the preparation of networks for project activities. Related activity attributes information in templates can also contain additional description information useful in sequencing activities. Lesson learned repository containing historical information that can help optimize the sequencing process. Now, the tools for the process of sequencing activities includes the precedence diagramming method. The precedence diagramming method or PDM is a technique used for constructing a schedule model in which activities are represented by nodes and are graphically linked by one or more logical relationships to show the sequence in which the activities are to be performed. Dependency determination and integration. Dependencies may be characterized by the attributes mandatory or discretionary, internal or external. Dependency has four attributes, but two can be applicable at the same time in the ways like mandatory external dependencies, mandatory internal dependencies, discretionary external dependencies, or discretionary internal dependencies. Leads and lags. Lead is the amount of time a successor activity can be advanced with respect to a predecessor activity. A lag is the amount of time a successor activity will be delayed with respect to a predecessor activity. Project Management Information System. Project Management Information System includes a scheduling software that has the capability to help plan, organize, and adjust the sequence of the activities. Insert the logical relationships, lead and lag values, and differentiate the different types of dependencies. Now we shall talk about the output of this process. Friend, the output is the project schedule network diagram. A project schedule network diagram is a graphical representation of the logical relationships, also referred to as dependencies among the project schedule activities. Then project document updates, which includes the activity attributes. Activity attributes may describe a necessary sequence of events or defined predecessor or successor relationships, as well as defined lead and lag and logical relationships between the activities. Activity list. The activity list may be impacted by the change in relationships among the project activities during the sequencing activities. Assumption log. Assumptions and constraints recorded in the assumption log may need to be updated based on the sequencing, relationship determination, and leads and lags, and may give rise to individual project risks that may impact the project schedule. Then, milestone list. The schedule dates for specific milestones may be impacted by changes in relationships among the project activities during these sequencing activities. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, friends.